Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Chat in your browser or the Gmail sidebar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account because hidden conversations stay account-specific. Once done, switch views. Click Chats, Spaces, or Rooms depending on your layout so hidden items may reappear. Next, scan the left-hand list for a collapsed section or a small arrow. Clicking that reveals archived or hidden threads. Act now so you can access the specific conversation you want to unhide. Use the search bar at the top and type the person's name, an exact phrase, or a keyword from the chat to find a hidden thread. Search returns archived, muted, and hidden results. Once you spot the conversation, open it and click the three-dot menu or right-click the thread in the list. Choose Unarchive to restore its place in the main chat list, or select Unmute or Show in Chat if it was hidden by settings. This restores normal notifications and visibility. After choosing Unarchive or Show in Chat, refresh Gmail or the chat app to confirm the conversation appears where you expect it. This ensures UI updates. If the thread still isn't visible, open the Archived Conversations folder and repeat the action there because some threads require unarchiving from that view. If problems persist, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or update the app. These steps fix sync issues. If none work, contact your G Suite admin for account-level restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.